So hello everyone to a new how-to and feature update from Wexcreator. Uh, yeah, uh, we have plenty of new features and yeah, let's start right away. So what's new? So controls. Until now we only had always visible, but now we have never visible or on demand, meaning that you have your controls in the showroom or in product presentations, which I will show you in a second. You don't want them there, yeah, in product presentations, for example, never visible. Yeah, that means also we don't want to have a show or a start button, and that's why we don't show the start button. So now you can decide showing or not showing. And of course, if you have no start button, you need autoplay, yeah, meaning that the scene or your showroom is starting without any interaction, user interaction. Okay, what does it mean at the end? Well, you will be able to have interactive product presentations seamlessly and with interactivity on web pages of yourself, of course, or of your customers, which opens plenty of new possibilities, and especially for the ones who are good in video production. In After Effects, for example, there you can now produce things and bring that seamlessly to the web. Yeah? And for that, of course, it's also necessary, and that's also new, that we have now a color picker for the background color. And you can decide to have it transparent, meaning alpha channel. And when you output it, and as you know, we allow hosting on our URL or compile it, meaning that you get a package in a zip file, which you can host by yourself, or you can preview it, of course, for preview situations. You need to see what you did. And I prepared a little coffee demo, actually a coffee machine, which we want to show on our Wexcreator web page. And yeah, it should be integrated seamlessly, and it should be interactive, and it should have sound. And yeah, I don't know any other format which allows you to do so than video, but seamless video, and done with our interactive opportunities from Wexcreator. So let's start with it. So I go for start, and as you can see, we have a main video, and this main video was uploaded by myself, so quite easy. It's a regular video shoot, actually, in chroma key, as you can see. So it's green screen. And of course, I want to remove it because I want to have it transparent at the end. All the other options are still there, and yeah, I loop it actually, so automatically redirect at end of video. So I come back to the same scene, so that's why it will stay on the page. Okay, let's see what's also in there. There's a try me button, and we are able to have, as you know, buttons on videos. You can decide to have a reel button. As you can see, plenty of opportunities. You can select it. We have some which you can just try and use, or you can bring in your own code, or you can have it transparent. Yeah? But now I go for a reel button. Actually, I typed in try me, and that's good. And this starts the scene and goes to the next scene actually. So it's this one. So this one opens the menu. And also there's an overlay button that's a little bit larger at the moment. So if you press there, the next scene will come. As you can see, click action, coffee creamer is the next thing. So I show you, I show you the next thing. It's coffee creamer. So this is just the video. As you can see, it runs. I go a little bit faster, and if it's done, it's included with sound. It stops and jumps. Let's see where it jumps to the opening. So we will open the machine afterwards and show the machine insides. So as you can see, it opens up, and of course, then we said when we open it, afterwards we want to close it. So the next scene is closing. Same thing, remove background, position in full screen at that for this, because it's then easier to implement on the website. And yeah, when I'm done and I do preview, I can see my button, I can press it, etc. But I will show this on the Wexcreator webpage. And here it is. So this is the regular background. This is just a graphic from the web page. And now I have an interactive product with all the opportunities I like, even with sound, as you can hear now. And that's beautiful. I mean, you have that right on a web page, seamlessly integrated. You can position it, and it's also responsive. So it adapts to the resolution at the end, but this is done by the one who is implementing this as an iframe, for example. Yeah. Let's stop this because it's getting louder and louder. That's awesome, a very cool feature. And at the end, I just want to point out some new features also. So if you want to set up a scene, normally you only had the classic showroom scenes, which you see here with several scenes inside. But now we have also the Matterport and live stream. So live stream is pretty new. So you can also implement live streams, meaning that you are able to, for example, go for browser or any other streaming service. You put in the URL of this or the player, and then you can have a live stream right in your web page also, or you can create a showroom where you have live streaming opportunities. And therefore, for example, what you can do with it is you can bring to your customers a lobby where an AI generated character is talking to the guests and says, okay, hello, this is the lobby. You can press here and then you go to the live stream, or you can press here and you can see another presentation, etc. So this opens up plenty of new possibilities, and I'm really happy to share that with you. Thank you so much for the first reactions. It's awesome how many people reached out to us, and please keep on mailing. And of course, next thing, yes, subscription will be available in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, then we start with the opportunity. But just to give you an idea for the prices, of course, you have a demo mode for nothing, meaning for free. For 30 days or 14 days, we're still discussing it, and you will have the first one for $49 a month. So that's the standard basic Wexcreator thing, and there are plenty of new possibilities also in regards of presenting things live. Yeah, so we implement the shared mode, and this will allow you to present your presentation via the web to someone else. Nearly in real time. They see exactly the same what you see, and that's the first opportunity to overcome screen sharing, for example. And just another spoiler, soon we will have our new Anytom plugin, and Anytom will allow you to have MS Teams meetings where you can implement scenes, remote controlled scenes, into your MS Teams meeting. Yeah, awesome. So stay tuned, and thank you for your feedback. Bye-bye.